Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making oatmeal raisin cookie granola bars, a healthier version of an oatmeal raisin cookie. If you're like me, you love oatmeal cookies. I personally think oatmeal cookies are underrated. I love them. They're the best. But you can't always eat oatmeal cookies because they have a lot of sugar and they have a lot of butter. That puts on the pounds. So I wanted to do something a little bit on the healthy side. So I've come up with an oatmeal raisin cookie granola bar. Not a lot of sugar, no eggs. It's a granola bar. Let's just keep it at that. All right, to a medium bowl, we're adding our 1 cup of rolled oats or old-fashioned oats, 3/4 of a cup of raisins. I have a 1/3 cup of whole wheat flour. This whole wheat flour has a sweeter taste, which is why I'm using it as opposed to regular all-purpose. 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil, 1/4 of a cup of peanut butter. Any nut butter you want to use is fine. I happen to prefer peanut butter, so I'm using it, but any nut butter is okay. And then we're also adding 1/4 of a cup of honey. And we're just going to mix this around with our spatula until everything is incorporated. Spatula, wooden spoon, either is fine. Today I'm going to be using my snack bar maker that I got from Pampered Chef. I usually make this recipe in an 8x8 baking pan lined with parchment paper. That's fine if you don't have one of these. I just wanted to try it and see what happened when I used this. I'm using my large cookie scoop, and I'm going to take it and I'm just going to put the mixture in here, and then I think I'm just going to try and flatten it out. Let's see where we go from there. Yep, this works well along with your fingers. All right, so this is going to make about 8 to 9 snack bars. All right, here we go. We're going to bake these at 325 for 25 to 28 minutes. See you in a bit. The oatmeal raisin granola bars need to cool completely in the pan. Then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for about an hour, and then we can take them out and taste test. So our oatmeal raisin bars are cooled, chilled in the refrigerator for an hour, and they are looking really good. In fact, I've been eating one. Really delicious. It's like oatmeal raisin cookie heaven, but in a granola bar, which is healthy. What more could you want? Well, thanks for joining me, everyone, as we made our oatmeal raisin granola bars. If you're an oatmeal raisin cookie fan like I am, you will love these. And if you try this recipe, I'd really like to hear how they turned out for you. The next video I have coming up is my ginger chai carrot cake, and it is to die for. It's also more on the healthy side. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos like my ginger chai carrot cake. See you next time. Bye-bye.